friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the green chili chicken. This is a Chinese recipe and is unique than the regular chili chicken which you had. This is made of course with green chilies but also two secret ingredients which I will be using for this recipe that makes it completely different from the rest. It's super delicious, so let's quickly get started. At first, I'm marinating the boneless chicken breast, which is cut into 1-inch cubes. Adding in 2 tablespoons of cornflour, then 1 tablespoon of white flour, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, salt as per your taste. I'm adding in half a teaspoon of salt, cracking up 1 egg, and lastly adding half a teaspoon of green chili sauce. Mixing up all the ingredients to coat the chicken pieces well. Keep the marinated chicken for a minimum of 15 minutes and then it's ready to be fried. Adding in oil in a wok to deep fry the marinated chicken. Once the oil is hot, adding in the chicken pieces one by one. I am not going to overload the pan but fry the pieces in small batches, frying each side until it turns light golden brown in color. It's time to transfer them all. Fry the remaining in the similar process. You can see how crispy and beautiful it looks. Let me quickly go through the ingredients to make the green sauce gravy. I'm using your 1 inch of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, half of small onion, half of green tomato. This is one of the secret ingredient. Then 7 garlic cloves, half of small capsicum or green bell pepper, 15 cashews. This is the second secret ingredient which I'm using. In a hot wok, adding in 2 tablespoons of oil to fry all the ingredients to make the green sauce. Adding the garlic, ginger, bell peppers, green tomatoes, onions, green chilies, and cashews. Fry all the ingredients well until they turn light golden in color. Now in a blender, I'm going to put all the fried ingredients and going to blend it into a very smooth paste. In the wok, adding oil, then adding the paste into the oil. I'm going to fry this paste for 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. Thereafter, adding half a teaspoon of sugar, salt as per your taste, some green food color. I'm using your organic green food color. It gives a good color to this green chili chicken. And also a pinch of MSG or Ajinomoto. This is completely optional. Mixing everything well together. Now I will be pouring half a cup of lukewarm water and let it come to a boil. Now adding in the crispy fried chicken pieces into the green sauce and going to mix everything well. I will be adding a cornstarch or cornflour slurry. I've made it with half a teaspoon of cornflour with water. Give all the ingredients a very good mix for the final time and let it simmer for a couple of minutes before serving it. So the amazing and delicious green chili chicken is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with your choice of white rice or fried rice or noodles, or just have it as it is. This recipe is amazing and it is so delicious and unique. I didn't use any coriander or mint leaves as you will see it any other place for green chili chicken. This recipe is having the unique flavors of cashews and green tomato, which makes it very different from the rest. So please do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you soon. Bye bye.